Trade financing options available for importers and exporters. If you are an exporter or importer involved in global trade, getting access to international trade finance is a key part to succeeding in international trade. Why is trade finance required for global trade? When an importer wants to trade globally, the exporter would want to be paid upfront by the importer. But in certain cases, the importer might be facing cash flow issues to pay the importer in advance. Here comes the importance of using trade financing options. Since trade finance is the real-life savior for importers, more than 80% to 90% of world trade relies on some form of trade finance. Trade finance options available for importers are letter of credit, standby letter of credit, and bank guarantee. By using these trade finance options, importers can import goods from overseas suppliers without paying up front or on a credit basis. To get the required trade finance facility from good-rated banks at zero collateral, submit your requirements to us. We are here to facilitate L.C, SBLC and BG in 48 hours. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 971-455-19699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.